Hello everyone, you are welcome to Akapo TV, the sports channel, the morning channel. Today I am going to show you how to select handicap predictions. So if this is your first time, I'll urge you to subscribe. You like this video, you hit on the notification bell so that anytime it releases a football betting strategy or tips, you will be the first person to receive it. Yesterday, I released a video about how to get correct score betting tips. Okay, if you want those videos, you can check on my playlist, which is free tips. Check it on my channel, search for free tips. You can find all the strategies that I've recently released. You can find them there. Make sure you watch it one after the other. Okay, all the strategies that I've been providing, I am going to post them there in my folder, which is the free tips. Okay, so today, as I'll be teaching you how to select handicap betting predictions and win, I'll show you the strategies behind it. As handicap prediction is one of the best method in winning sports if you know how to go about it. First of all, let's describe what handicap is. Most people don't understand the word handicap. Okay, handicap simply means giving extra goals. Okay, giving extra goals advance. So let me say this team, Benfica and LC France is playing today, and I want to go handicap for Benfica. I go handicap 1. So let me use this as an example. So here is it. I go handicap 1 for Benfica. That means before the starting of the game, I've already given Benfica 1 goal. This thing I've explained it several times on my channel. I have a video explaining this, but a lot of people still don't understand it. I don't know why. So that's why I'm pounding on this video. Upload another video explaining it. Maybe this one most people will understand. If you still don't understand, leave your comment in the description section. I will reply to you one after the other. So I said, as we give 1 goal for Benfica, which means Benfica is already leading with 1 goal. So if this team score Benfica 1-0, okay, then we lose. But if they play 0-0, like nobody scores, that means Benfica will lead by 1 goal. The goal we give them, that means we win. Okay, if Benfica also scores them 1-0 and they couldn't equalize, we win. If they play 1-1, we win. The only situation that loses this bet is when they score Benfica 1-0 and Benfica couldn't score some. You get what I'm saying? So we also go to the second one. So when we predict for the second one, this one, and then Benfica didn't score and they score Benfica 1, we are still winning. That means we gave Benfica a handicap of 2 goals in advance before the referee blew the whistle to start the game. You get what I'm saying? If you understand, please leave your comment down below. Say, I understand what you are saying. Okay, I understand what you are teaching. This will motivate me to upload more videos, because I'm going to explain everything in sports betting. I'm going to explain all the tips here. If you don't understand, you just have to come to my channel, search for any tips or any prediction. You can just get it. You see, we can check it on Sporty Bet. What they are saying is predict the winner in a regular time, taking in consideration the handicap in bracket. Okay, which means we predict the winner in regular time. So either we just go 1 and then win, or the team play 1-0, we still win. But if they score them 1-0, we lose. Okay, same thing happens to this one. If you go away, we select handicap of 1 for away, which means this away match, this away team, if you go for this one, okay, that means we are going for handicap of away one goal advance for away. Okay, but when we come for this one too, we have for handicap 1 for away, okay, 1 goal advance, okay, which means the possibility is that they will score a goal where they will not lose, okay. And when we go 2 for away, which means we give them 2 goals advance, and we go 3 goals advance. You can also stake it in opposite direction. This opposite direction is like this. When I go to this side, which means I'll give handicap 1 for away, but the home team to win. Okay, 1 for away, but home team to win. So if I give the away team 1 and I come home, that means the home team should win by 2-0. That's the only way I can win this match. The home team should win by 2-0 because the away team is having 1 goal advance. So if the home team wins by 2-1, it becomes goalless draw. You get what I'm saying? If the home team, if I give them 1-0 for away, 0-1 for away, and I go this direction, which means the home team, I am going for handicap 1 go advance for the whole away team, but I'm going still going for the home to win, which means the home should win by 1-2-0, 3-0, or 3-1, okay, or 4-1, or 4-2, because the away is already have an advance of 1 goal. If they play 1-1, we lose. If they play 0-0, we lose. So that side is very risky. So we have to always, the same thing happens for this one. That means I give the away 2 goals advance and come for away home team to win. I give this away 3 goals, but the home team to win. This is very risky. So the safer thing is to go for the home team, either the home team to win. Okay, handicap of 1 goal advance for the home team. If we need let's say we just need 1.2 odds, 1.3 odds, we can go for the least odd. You see, the home team, we give them 2 goals advance, which means the odds also decreases. We only go for this one when the team are playing, the home team is very strong, so that when they play draw, we can still win our predictions. Okay, so before you go, you stake a handicap, please make sure that the team you are selecting the handicap for is very strong, like Benfica here. Okay, you see the odd for Benfica is 1.13, and this one is 6 point something, so which means Benfica has an upper hand to win this match. So even if they play draw and we go for 1 handicap, we still win this. Okay, we still win this. So we also have Asian handicap here. I will explain this one later in another video. So this is how the handicap prediction work, and this is how you can select them. You can do that for several teams. Okay, you can do that for several teams. Let me see if I can find another game here. We have El Ali and Playmate. Let me see. You see, we have this ones. Let go handicap 2 for Al Ali. Okay, handicap 2 for Al Ali, which means Al Ali is already having 2 goals advance. If they play 1-1, we win. If they play 2-2, we win. If they play 2-1, we still win. Yeah, because you come to be 3-2 for Al Ali. But if they play 2-0, we lose. If they play 3-0, we lose. Okay, so anytime we are going for this one, we just pray that the team that we are going for, either 1 or 2, he should also win. Win if you are going for 1 handicap, or you should score at least 1 goal. When you are going for 2 handicap, you shouldn't concede more than 2 goals. So this is how it works. Thank you very much, and I hope you have understood it, and I will see you tomorrow for more predictions.